Does your pliers drawer look like this? How about your wrench drawer? Your wrench drawer look like that? How about your socket drawer? Socket drawer pretty much look like that. Mine's in a box because I got a new toolbox, but I haven't dropped them in the drawer yet because I don't want to create that mess again. They pretty much look like that in my old toolbox. So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bly back here at YB Works, and today we're gonna try to fix that problem with 3 products I got off of Amazon. Link will be in the description, and that will help the channel out if you guys use our link to buy any of these things. See if you need that. So if your guys' toolbox looks like that, these things may help you out today. This is what we're gonna start with. This is product number 1. We're gonna start with the Hurricane Plier Rack Set. Again, link will be in the description. That thing's bright. Looks bright, nothing on the back. Yeah, that's what they're pretty much gonna look like. Let's see, put these things in. Pads on the back. There's your plier rack, so you can see. Snap together in the middle, see? You guys can see these things. Yeah, they snap together. Much better. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Nice. Next up is, if you guys can read that, link will be in the description once again. These are for the wrenches. I already ripped this open a little bit. These are supposed to be a 4-pack wrench holders, and these are, you can see that, magnetic. So you get 2 green ones and 2 black ones like that. All of them magnet on the back. Like, pretty decently packaged. Yeah. So it looks like out of the pack. So let's take this one out of the bright in the camera, yeah. There we go. As you can see, straight sticks to the toolbox. So, how this is supposed to work is, let's grab a wrench out of here real quick. How this is supposed to work is pretty much slide it down in that slot. So then it's supposed to be able to hold up like that as well. But I don't know how practical that is, but you could stick it to the side of the toolbox like that. Put your wrenches on the side of the toolbox. You have to get them out without dropping them, so we'll see. But I'm gonna get these loaded up and see how they fit in the tool drawer. Alright, so I have a whole bunch of like random sets, so that's part of the reason why I wanted to get organized anyway. So you can't see, you can see some gaps in here, plus it's not all the way full. I don't have every size known to man or anything. And there's a bunch of duplicates down here and some super small ones. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna sort those. But as you can see how this is going to work, there's my standard, there's my metric, so in the drawer just fine. Shut, and that's one of the small drawers, so that works great. And they're pretty stuck in there with the magnet, but I can lift it out with the magnet. Bang, throw it on the side of the toolbox. There's my wrenches for the day, if that's what I need. Then I gotta fight it back off, but there we go. Bam, back in the toolbox. So next up are these Swan Lake magnetic as you can see. Those are standard holders. It should be a 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and a 1/4 inch drive in the green, and then the same in metric or the black. And basically these are magnetic and they hold your sockets. Should be magnetic to hold the socket as well. So let me get that box of sockets sorted out into these, and then we'll show you those guys working. Once again, I have a whole bunch of different mix sets over time, so once again I got to figure out what type of sockets I need and stuff. And I have a whole nother set over here, so it's not like I'm really missing any sockets. This is just basically my sockets that were in the drawer. As you guys can see, that's our 1/4 inch drive and our 1/2 inch drive. We're missing some stuff, but the 3/8 drive is pretty full, and Nick here is going to show you guys that the magnet works pretty well. So you actually can hold it upside down and stick it to it. Bang. And that holds pretty well. Pull a socket out of it. See? Socket goes out, socket back in. Cool. So you literally can pull this out of the drawer and slap it to the side of the toolbox and work from there, and then put it back later, basically, which is awesome. So let's see how they fit in the drawers though. So we'll go, do we got one more right here? Yeah, we'll do this one first, just because I personally don't think they're all gonna fit in one drawer, but we'll see. Let's pull those out. All right, let's see. No, because you still gotta hold 2 of these to go.
Oh yeah, I could get one more in there and the other small one.
Yeah.
Almost all of it.
But no, that's okay though, because if you get the small one down there, now you can get a couple ratchets and stuff in there with that, and like your extra sockets or extra like your metric spark plug socket and stuff like that can go to the side. Just means your sockets are gonna take 2 drawers.
Yeah,
that's okay though. I'm cool with that.
Space that out.
Yeah. So yeah, as you guys can see, they work. That's with these drawers. You know, you have to test with your own. They actually fit in the drawer. These are I think 3-inch deep drawers on this toolbox, and this toolbox will be linked in the description as well. but I think these are 3-inch drawers, so they do work as far as depth goes just fine. Same with these in the 1-inch drawer up top, and then same with the plier drawer with the 3-inch. So you guys remember, if you need any of this, look in the description below, and it'll help the channel out if you use any of our links. All right, see, so yeah, I got extra sockets everywhere, different stuff, but that's gonna let me know what I need to get, and I can fill up the rest of these with some of the other stuff as I keep sorting. But I just wanted to show you guys some of these things to help you guys sort through your tools, maybe, and help you guys make your toolbox just a little bit neater. As you can see, mine has become a lot neater than what it started out as. Awesome. So guys, all right guys, so that's the end of the video. Again, make sure you check the links in the description if you need any of these. If you use any of our links, they will help us out. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and other car content. And make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss a drop.